The weather is warming up. It's getting nice. Just as I say that and look ahead to the next week, this is the last day of nice weather, huh? And here is what this video is all about. Remember this piece of shit? Although excellently modified bike, the juiced bike. It's been sitting here in storage, not in storage. It's just been sitting here for 6 months. I have not ridden it. And as you can tell, nothing is in the charger. Nothing is on the charger. This bike has not been touched in 6 months. So I'm wondering, just like you, what's the batteries like? When I put this in storage, both batteries were fully charged. All right, let's test the juiced bike battery first. Oh, looky there, 57.8 volts. Hadn't lost but maybe 1 volt. And let's check the auxiliary battery. 58.5 volts. It might have lost 0.3 volts. Is that what you were expecting? All right. Y'all know that I don't baby and get all anal and OCD about charging the batteries. I just ride the bike and charge it up till it's full, and I leave the chargers plugged in during the summer, of course, when I'm riding. But hey, I don't know what we were all expecting. I'm thinking some of us were thinking the batteries would be dead. But this garage at 7,000 feet goes anywhere from, I think we're in the 40s right now, to, I think we got down below freezing several times this winter. Hope that answers your questions about storing a bike and batteries and what happens to it. All right, man, I'm out of here. See ya.